Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about SoFi Technologies SoFi stock. In this video, we will be analyzing 3 articles, to where the first one is titled, SoFi, Why This One Fintech Stock Should Be in Your Portfolio Now. After that, we're going to move on to another article titled, SoFi's Slow Burn, Why Patience with SoFi Stock Could Pay Off. And then lastly, we're going to round out the video discussing SoFi Technologies Inc.'s most important facts to note. So we're going to be going over their upcoming earnings report, catalysts that are coming up for this company, their latest news updates, a partnership with MasterCard, as well as their future share price. So for more videos on SoFi Technologies, don't forget to go and obliterate that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. But if not, don't worry, by subscribing and liking this video, you're going to get this content for absolutely free. And with that being said, I say let's jump right into today's stories. SoFi Technologies is a fintech company, or a financial technology company that operates as a digital bank, and their ticker symbol is SOFI, ticker name SoFi. Their business has been booming, and it's certain that many investors are willing to spend money to garner more attention for this fintech stock. SoFi Technologies has increased very rapidly over the last few months in their overall share price, but recently they've pulled back slightly, so we're going to be discussing why that is. The company has delved deep into the world of digital banking and fintech, and we are going to be talking about how long their run could be in this overall segment and how I think they are a very long-term investment opportunity. SoFi has major appeal to the younger generations, which sets them up for substantial growth in 2025, with a focus on attracting young high earners by offering value-added services. Therefore, SoFi stock appears to be an attractive long-term investment if you plan on holding this company after 2025 and beyond. And those who truly believe in the future of financial technology companies, such as fintech companies, then this could be the company for you. But even now, they are showing their prestige to investors. For instance, in Q2 of 2023, SoFi's financial services segment surged in their revenues by around 223%, according to this article, to around $98.1 million. So clearly, they are rapidly scaling their financial services segment. And in the next article, we're going to be talking about how they have a relationship with MasterCard through their Galileo subsidiary. But right now, let's talk about their current share price and where their stock could be headed. SoFi stock is already up around 80% year to date, where the current share price is trading at around $7, while analysts project that this company could achieve on the low end $8 per share over the next 12 months or $16 per share over the next year. Now, a really good middle ground to find here for the company would be around $12. A $12 stock price target is very conservative but also very realistic, which is substantially higher than that $7 current share price, meaning that this company has large upside potential. And you should also know that recently the company sold nearly 8 million financial products in the most recent quarter, equating to a 47% year-over-year increase, which demonstrates this segment's transition into a profit driver. And I think this sort of diversification makes SoFi a comprehensive digital finance company that should improve as time goes on and as we move forward. Therefore, SoFi Technologies should clearly be in someone's portfolio if they enjoy investing into the future of finance, such as financial technology companies, which would mean SoFi. Analysts currently anticipate a growth rate of between 24.4% and 31.3% respectively in 2023 and 2024. And this shows investors that they are on an incredible pace to scale their CAGR over the long term from organic growth and very impressive tailwinds in the macroeconomic environment. That also means that the near-term growth potential of this company is very large, especially as they start to gain momentum on their student loan refinancing business, which is happening right now as we speak. But let's talk about why the current company's share price is pulling back. After an 80% surge, clearly the company should pull back between $5 to $7, which is exactly where they are right now. But that also means that there is greater growth opportunity if you can capitalize on these cheaper share prices, meaning that if this company surges up to $12 or $16, this could equate to phenomenal returns for aggressive investors. But again, don't overexpose yourself too heavily to any singular risky growth stock. I don't like to advocate more than a 5% initial portfolio allocation to any singular stock, meaning that if my portfolio is around $100,000, my limit to spend on SoFi Technologies is $5,000, and once I invest that $5,000, I just let the rest ride. But now let's talk about a very impressive catalyst to where SoFi Technologies' subsidiary named Galileo has recently announced a partnership with MasterCard, ticker symbol MA. SoFi stock has been very volatile and choppy throughout the second half of 2023, but this is due to market jitters. Some people believe that the market is going to crash, which I don't believe that, and some investors are getting scared due to higher interest rates for a longer period of time, meaning that this is going to cause volatility in a plethora of stocks on the stock market, including technology stocks and banking stocks, and this negatively impacts SoFi because SoFi can be considered both a technology and a banking finance fintech stock. But despite this intermediate and short-term volatility, SoFi Technologies should thrive over the long term. This company literally helps people gain financial independence by helping them either repay their student loans, financing a vacation, a house, a car, or just saving for retirement. SoFi does it all, which is why they have established themselves as the go-to platform for both millennials and Generation Z. And they even recently launched a new ad campaign named All Your Ambitions All in One App. They are really marketing themselves as an all-in-one go-to app, so you don't need to go or bank anywhere else. Their app literally does it all, so there's no need to have more than one bank. SoFi Technologies also has started to work with a famous credit card company named MasterCard, thanks to their Galileo subsidiary. And the reason Galileo is working with MasterCard is to allow lenders to offer Galileo buy now, pay later services, or a business-to-business service regarding buy now and pay later. Now, I'm going to quote directly from the article because normally a BNPL or buy now, pay later is only attributable to customers, to where I could buy a $100 product for 4 installments of $25, so I can buy it now and then pay later. And sometimes this comes literally with a no interest. But how would a business to business use buy now, pay later? Well, let's quote directly from the article, which says this: you might think of buy now, pay later as something that individual borrowers use. However, businesses can also take advantage of this borrowing option. With this partnership, banks and fintechs working with Galileo can offer installment financing options to small businesses through the MasterCard installments service. So by the synergies between Galileo and MasterCard, they can offer other businesses the ability to offer small companies finance options in the form of buy now, pay later installments like we talked about earlier. Meanwhile, this collaboration is legitimizing Galileo and SoFi's overall technologies as a main lender. So this gives great credentials and credence, and in my view, it legitimizes that SoFi Technologies is literally the go-to bank for this, and they are working with other larger institutions, which solidifies their permanence and relevance in the market right now. Lastly, let's talk about the company's upcoming scheduled earnings report, which is scheduled for October 30th. And on that day, SoFi is projected to report earnings of a loss of 7 cents per share, which represents a year-over-year growth rate of 22.22%. And we also know that they are projecting $516.2 million, which equates to a 21.75% increase in the revenue from the same quarter in the prior year. Now, for the full year, they're projected to bring in a loss of 20 cents per share and revenues of $2.02 billion, representing a 50% and a 28% CAGR in regards to their earnings and revenue, respectively, from the previous year. And this is very impressive news. On top of that, we also know that in a future earnings report, they will bring in their first profits, which is going to set this company on a fantastic growth trajectory. And ideally, investors would want to get into this company before they become profitable, because after they become profitable, we could see their share price scale very quickly. However, at the same time, analysts, including those over at Zacks Rank, have this investment as a holding opportunity. And if you know Zacks, they have a 1 rating, meaning a strong buy, and a 5 rating, meaning a strong sell, while SoFi has a 3 rating, which means to hold the company. In the end, SoFi Technologies is still primed for future growth. Investors may want to invest into this company before the company becomes profitable, but always make sure to do your own research and don't overexpose yourself to any singular risky growth company. It's phenomenal news that this company could surge between $12 to $16 in the future, but remember to get this company between $5 to $7. That would be an ideal entry point for this company. And we're anticipated to see their true growth rate as far out as 2025. So if you are a long-term investor that could afford the risk into this company, feel free to look further into it. But I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to go and press the like button right now on this video. Go also and press that subscribe button. Don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. And if you want more videos like this one, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, I will see you in the next YT video.